In today's digital world, finding vulnerabilities before cybercriminals do is essential. But how do ethical hackers and security professionals test for vulnerabilities? Let's take a look at the top vulnerability testing tools you should know. First up, Metasploit. This tool is a go-to for penetration testing. It allows you to simulate attacks, exploit vulnerabilities, and validate security measures. It's ideal for discovering weaknesses in your network or apps. Next, there's Nessus. Nessus is one of the most widely used vulnerability scanners. It checks systems for vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and compliance issues, giving you an overall view of potential security risks. Next, there's Burp Suite. Burp Suite is perfect for web application security testing, from scanning for SQL injections to detecting cross-site scripting, XSS vulnerabilities. Burp Suite gives security professionals a powerful suite of tools to find and fix flaws in web apps. Next, there's Qualys. Qualys is another top vulnerability management platform that helps in scanning IT environments for weaknesses. It also provides comprehensive reports and recommendations for remediation, making it great for enterprise-level security testing. Next, there's Wireshark. Wireshark is a network analyzer that captures and inspects network traffic. While it's not specifically a vulnerability scanner, Wireshark is critical for identifying security flaws in network protocols and traffic, helping to spot malicious activity early on. OpenVAS, or the Open Vulnerability Assessment System, is a free and open-source tool for scanning and detecting vulnerabilities. It's highly customizable, allowing security professionals to test their network for a variety of vulnerabilities. These tools aren't just for penetration testers. They're essential for any organization serious about cybersecurity. They help identify and patch security gaps, ensuring that systems and applications are protected from the latest threats. From discovering vulnerabilities to fixing them, these tools are indispensable for securing your digital world. Want more cybersecurity tips and tutorials? Hit like, subscribe, and stay safe online.